Fellas, if you want to stand out, be more interesting, and naturally attract people to you, you need a solid hobby. But not just any hobby, the right hobby. Today, I'm breaking down the most attractive hobbies that instantly level up your appeal. Let's get into it. 1. Fitness and combat sports. There's a reason why staying in shape is attractive. It shows discipline, confidence, and self-care. Whether it's hitting the gym, boxing, or even martial arts, women respect a guy who takes care of his body and can handle himself. 2. Playing an instrument. There's something effortlessly cool about a guy who plays an instrument. Now, have a look at this guy. Guitar, classic, piano, sophisticated, drums, wild. No matter which one you pick, music instantly makes you more charismatic. 3. Learning a new language. Imagine casually switching between languages in a conversation. Instant respect. Whether it's Spanish, French, or even Japanese, being multilingual makes you look intelligent, cultured, and well-traveled. 4. Storytelling and public speaking. Confidence in speech is power. If you can tell a great story or speak with conviction, people naturally listen. Join a public speaking club or start practicing. You'll be surprised how much it levels up your presence. 5. DIY and hands-on skills. A guy who can fix things, underrated but insanely attractive. Whether it's working on cars, carpentry, or even just basic home repairs, knowing your way around tools makes you self-reliant, and women notice. 6. Adventure, sports, and outdoor activities. There's something magnetic about a guy who embraces adventure. Rock climbing, surfing, or even hiking. These activities show that you're spontaneous, fun, and ready to explore. 7. Creative hobbies such as photography, art, writing. Creativity is rare. Whether it's photography, sketching, or writing, these hobbies make you stand out by expressing who you are. Bonus points if you can capture emotions in a unique way. Look, hobbies aren't just about passing time. They define your personality. Pick one, get good at it, and watch how your confidence, social life, and overall appeal shoot up. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more.